Hello. So today's live topic is you don't need to have a product or your own course to launch your blog. So a lot of people think like that they are supposed to have their own product or they are supposed to have their own course ready to launch the blog. That is not true at all, because when you write your content and on a regular basis, when you're writing your content and your audience is reading your content and then they are giving you feedback, and from your content you know that which of your content your audience is liking much better, which of the content type of content your audience is giving you feedback. So from there you can improve your content, and from there you can learn that you can create your own product or your own course from that kind of content. So without putting your content out, you do not know what your audience likes. Take my example. When I started my blog, I had no idea what kind of niche I am in and what kind of content I'll be writing. But only thing was sure with me that I liked writing a blog. At that time, when I started my blog in 2016, October 2016, I started with a company who was teaching how to make money online, because I was fed up from my commute. I was commuting to my our own family business for more than 1 hour, and I was really fed up of the commute and driving to work. So I decided that I want to work from home, and in that quest I worked around in my neighborhood for many jobs. I worked, and finally I decided that I want to work from home. I do not want to work in my own family business. I do not want to work different type of jobs close to my home, which I tried. So finally I decided to work from home, and I started with a company who was teaching how to make money online, and blog came on the side. So at that time I just knew that I like writing blog, because at that time I liked reading blogs and I liked getting information from the blogs, and I liked getting exact information from the blogs when I was looking for something, and I wished I can write my own blog, I can put my own information out there. That was my wish. So I started with a company who was teaching how to make money online, and the blog came on the side, and my wish came true. So I did not put much focus on the marketing. They were teaching how to make your money online by multi-level marketing. I did not focus on that. I only focused on the blog. I was writing my blog consistently, and that is how my audience grew, and that is how people started asking me all type of questions, and that is how I started my own blog, my own Facebook group. um, this is how I started my own Facebook group, Be Your Own Boss, to answer all the questions which my people were asking me on the blog. My friends were asking me. I was getting emails, text messages. So I started my own group, Be Your Own Boss, to teach. And what I was learning, to make videos, whatever I was learning, I was teaching the same thing to my audience. So this is how I figured out that what kind of content my audience likes, what kind of content I should continue with, and this is how I found out that I want to write a book, because my audience gave me feedback that they want to learn from me about blogging, how to start a blog. So I wrote and self-published a book on Amazon after 2 years of starting my blog. My book's name is Starting a Successful Blog, Share Your Passion and Turn It into a Business. So This is how you find out which kind of products you will be creating, which kind of course you will be creating. Once you are putting your content out there, your audience is talking to you, they are commenting, they are asking you questions, and you are answering them, and you are taking their feedback seriously. And this is how you're gonna know that which kind of product or course you want to create. This is how I learned that I want to create a course about blogging. My blogging course name is Blog to Be Your Own Boss, which I launched last year. So this is how you are going to learn how to have a blog, but not to have a product already, or not to have a course. You just need to start your blog, because starting your blog is a work in itself. On top of that, you don't need to have a stress that you need to have a product or you need to have a course to launch your blog. No, you just launch your blog, you start writing. So for launching your blog, you have to have figured out a name for your blog, you have to have registered your blog, and then you start writing your content. After you write your content, you are supposed to be promoting your content. Writing your content and promoting your content is a equal ratio work, because once you write and you think people are coming to your blog and they are going to read it, no, because then you have to promote it. You have to write your blog, and then you have to promote. So this is how you are going to get your audience. This is how you are going to get feedback from your audience. So I am getting some notification, I'll check that later on. So the myth about having your own product or a course is necessary for starting your blog is not true. This is a false notion which a lot of people have, because a lot of people have asked me, a lot of ladies have asked me that do they need to have their own product, do they need to have their own course to launch their blog. And one person wrote me, Sarah, I will be starting my blog once I have my product ready and my course ready. I said, no way, honey, you don't need to have a product or course to start your blog. You just start your blog, and these things come along as you are writing your blog. So let me know, guys, what is your question right now? Are you agreeing with me? Hello to everyone. Didi from New York, I guess, and Ruiza, forgive me if I am not pronouncing your name. All right, Emma, Sima, how are you guys? And do you agree what I was talking about? And I gave you my own example, because when I started my blog, I had no idea what niche I'm gonna be having. I had no idea that I'll be writing a book. I had no idea that I'll be creating my own products on my blog. I had no idea that I'll be creating a course. I only had a faint idea that I'll be making money from the blog somehow. But I was not clear at that time when I started my blog in October 2016. So now it is more than 5 years I started my blog. After starting my blog, it became clear to me that what content my audience likes, because they gave me feedback, they asked me questions. So this is how I created my products. This is how I wrote my own book. This is how I created my course. So you do not need to have your product or course ready to launch your blog. You just start your blog. That's it. So let me know, guys, if you have any question, then I'm here to answer your questions. and I am inviting you to download my free PDF guide, Make Your First 2K Blogging. You're gonna find out all the different ways, easy methods how you can make money from your blog, even when you have written only 5 blog posts. You start making money with those 5 blog posts, and as you go you create more content. So I have explained all the ways in this free PDF guide, so grab it and let me know what else questions you have. I am here to answer all your questions. So see you again with another live next week, guys, or before that if I feel like doing more lives, then I'll be doing it, because some days I feel like doing more than one live. Yesterday, today I'm feeling all right, because on Monday I got my booster shot, and for 2 days my arm was hurting, my whole body was hurting with the booster shot, and I was praying to God, will I ever feel better, or is this going to be feel going to be like that forever? I was so afraid. And now today I am feeling all right, I'm feeling fine, and I glad I got my booster shot. Guys, if you have not gotten your booster shot, go ahead and get your booster shot. Stay safe and healthy and make some money, start your blog. Grab my PDF guide first to learn how you're gonna make money from blogging. So I will see you guys next time.